Hi children, welcome to grade 6 science. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter 8, that is assorting the materials. We had seen about various types of topics in this chapter, right? So initially we saw about matter and its properties. An object is made up of matter. It may be solid, liquid or gas, any type. So an object is made up of matter. So what are the properties of matter? It may contain mass, weight and volume. Mass is nothing but the amount of matter present in the object is said to be mass. Right? Weight is same as mass. Because of weight of an object is the force acting on the object due to the gravitational pull of the earth. Right? Weight might be as same as mass, but weight is due to the force acting on the object that represents the weight of an object. For example, just remember the same object that will be present in the earth as well as in the moon. While it is on earth, it shows the weight, but while it is on the moon, it shows less weight, since the gravitational force on earth is more compared to the gravitational force on moon. So due to the force acting on an object, it exhibits weight. The mass of the object remains same on both the places, but the weight may vary due to the force acting on the object. Right? Then volume. This is the amount of space, that is the space occupied by the object is called volume. It might be measured in cubic meter, liter or milliliter. Right? Then the three types of matter: solid, liquid and gas. And the interconversion of matter, that is solid to liquid, melting state, and solid to gas, sublimation, liquid to solid, freezing, gas to solid, dissipation, deposition, gas to liquid, condensation, and liquid to gas, vaporization. These are the topics we had discussed in the earlier session, right? Then properties of materials. These materials exhibit some properties that they might be hard, lustrous and texture. Hardness in sense they cannot be easy to compress. Soft material can able to compress easily. Example for hard materials are iron, copper, etc. Example for soft materials are cotton, wool, etc. Then leisure in sense it starts to shine, that some materials may shine. Right? So the lustrous materials may iron, copper, gold. Non-lustrous are wood, paper, rubber, cotton, etc. Then texture. Some of the materials have a rough texture and some of the materials have smooth texture. Rough texture in sense the tire of a car or some other vehicle. Because of the rough texture, it can easily stops on a road. And for smooth texture, the slide in the park. The slide has smooth texture so that the children can able to slide easily in that toy. Okay, so based on the texture also the object may vary. Right? And also floating object and sinking object. While in water, some objects may float and some objects may sink. Weightless objects may float and weight objects may sink. Right? And solubility. If you put some salt in the water, it start to soluble easily. But if put some sand on the water, it won't soluble. It is insoluble material. Based on this, we can determine the different objects, different materials, right? And also solubility of oil. If you pour some oil in the water, it won't get soluble easily. It starts to float in the surface of the water. This determines that it is an oil material, right? Then the another property is transparency. If you take a glass, we can separate as transparent and translucent. Translucent in sense we can see only some of the object, that is, it transmit only partial light, whereas for transparent it may pass the full light. For example, we can use glasses for windows. You might have seen through the windows in sense we can see a blur image. This is an example for translucent material. And for transparent material, the glasses in cars, bike, buses, etc. Through the glasses only we can able to see the other side, right, which is so transparent, right? This is translucent and transparent. Only partial of the objects may be seen in sense it is translucent, and if we can able to see the whole object clearly in sense it is transparent. And another one property is opaque. Opaque in sense we cannot able to see anything that is on the other side, as shown in the figure. So that property is called opaque, right? Then conductors of heat. Some materials may conduct heat. Example, graphite, copper, aluminium, etc. Some materials doesn't conduct heat. For example, plastic, wood, etc. And also the conductor of heat might also be a good conductor of electricity also. Okay, and a bad conductor of electricity are wood, rubber. These are all. And magnetic materials, non-magnetic materials. Magnetic materials will be attracted by the magnet, whereas non-magnetic materials will be not attracted by the magnet. Magnetic materials are iron, copper, cobalt, nickel, etc. Non-magnetic materials might be wood, paper, plastic, etc. Then natural materials, synthetic materials. As we discussed earlier, natural materials are biodegradable and synthetic materials are non-biodegradable. Example for synthetic or plastic, an example for natural or paper, jute, etc. Then why we need to sort the materials like this? In order to arrange the materials in a proper way, we needed to sort the thing. Sorting of materials helps us to locate a suitable material whenever you need. We can also take the required material from the particular place when we sort that material in the order, so that we can able to find the particular material or particular object in a easiest way. For this reason only we are sorting the material, right? Segregating material in groups makes it easy to study their properties and grouping them as per their similarities and differences. This helps in convenient study of materials. For this reason only we are sorting the materials, right? So these are the topics we had discussed in this session, that is, we had discussed in this chapter. So for your homework, you have to complete the application part in your workbook. Finish your work and upload it in Google Classroom app without fail. So we can discuss about still more interesting topics in next session. Till then, Stay connected, stay safe. Bye.